OMG. Oh my God, I can't say thank you enough. Thank you. Thousand or more than thousand. Thank you so much. Let's grow to the top. I'm looking forward to staying connected with you guys and just, going to the next phase and the next phase and the next phase. I decided that it's not going to be just blood related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Hello, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan, my Ari fam. Can you see the tiredness in my eyes? Yeah, because your girl has been grinding, working like not even the hair no comb. The hair is not combed. I just do this every morning. Put some moisturizer and some oil and I'm gone. So I need to also give you guys some update on my hair growth since I removed the crochet braids, but I'm still working on that video because the hair needs to be washed and everything before I can share that. But guess what? I know you guys have been looking out for this video. I hit the 1K. Hey, listen, all the small YouTubers or even large ones, because you've been there, you've been at 0, 1, 2, 300, 400, you know that it is not easy at all. I actually thought it was easy. Honestly, I thought it was easier than this, but YouTube is not a walk in the park. So anyways, I will be doing my 1K party. I'll be having my 1K party on the 23rd of this month. And I'll be going live all day. Not straight, of course. But I just look out make sure that the notification bell is on so that whenever I go live, you can come on in and join, because we'll be having a party on the 23rd. Mark it on your calendar, and I will be sharing also my YouTube journey. But in this video, I will be sharing reasons Jamaicans pout, or aka long up them mouth. Long up them mouth, roll them eyes, but mainly long up them mouth. You ever see a Jamaican do this before? I'll be showing you why. So yeah, Katie's letting out the secret why Jamaicans pout, not just for the selfies. The selfies cute pout, but I mean like so stay tuned. I hope you like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. Click that button and click that bell. Click that button and click that bell. Let's get into the video. Don't try maybe down by the riverside. Sweet baby, nowhere to hide. I'll come to my boy. No. Dawn. ready and no bother with it like what you do the last time. Come, read him. Sham sham baby down by the riverside, sweet sweet baby, nowhere to hide. I caught you with my boyfriend, naughty you naughty. Eat out the cookie, greedy you greedy. Jump through the window and now you're getting no, I won. No. Me win. You're too thief. And you miss. You forgot so and you got so. You're supposed to go like this and you go done. Me not play nothing with me not play with you again. Too thief. Yes, mommy. We never know that. Me run away tomorrow. Me run away. Me a pack up my things and me run away. And Stacy met me and leave. Stacy. Me a go. Me a run away. Me a come back. Me a run away. Me not come back. Watch I see. Get liquor. Me never do nothing. Watch here. How long people are awake on the train? I've been waiting for. Where's the train, man? Can't bother with these foolishness, you know. This train needs to come right now. Waiting on the train so long. And people late. Leave my house late this morning. The train need to hurry up. See this? I'm going to tell the driver something, you see, man. Ciao. What smell, sir? What is that smell? Somebody poop. No, man. Somebody in the bus fart. Look. I wonder if that man there right there, so him look guilty. Somebody eat rotten egg, man. Jesus, peace. All through the mask. Me take off the mask to get little breath. No, man. I wonder if I him over there, so. If he say him, you know. People say that I am miserable, but I'm not miserable. Tell the truth where God love now. I'm going to show you the lunch. When I pay 360 yen, me pay for the lunch. Call that what? 34 or $35? Asa? Look on the lunch. Just tell me the truth now. Look what they give me for my money. One little piece of fish. I don't even know what is that yellow something. And look on the amount of rice. I'm already at work on my belly. See some miso soup in the cup. No, man. I want a refund. For those of you who do not know my dramatic side, there you have it. I'm going to do more drama, you know. But, you know, the grinding to get to the 1K. You know. But stay tuned for more. And I hope to see you on July 23rd. Thank you for watching. Boom bang. I'm out.